guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on this video, we're going to share the renovation of our old barn. So after 2 days, the concrete pad is fully dry. So they're working on this side to put up a wall using the tins, charcoal gray color. And yeah, my dad is here helping us. He's on vacation, and I'm glad that he's here to help us. And so Guy is starting to covered on this side first, getting rid of the old tins on the roof, and then here it is. And so Guy is trying to get rid of the old tins and adjusting and doing some formation on the roof. And with this guy, Ricky seems a very good friend, a family friend. He's a big help for us. Thank you.
Flat decking board, 7 foot long.
So guys, I'm gonna share this protective metal frame that my husband bought for his tractor to protect from busting and breaking the headlights. So it's really good. And we have our old tractor. We trade it to this new one. It's more bigger, more functional, more beneficial and useful for his work. It's Kubota, and we love it. He loves it. So today is a beautiful day. It's sunny, and my husband asked me to clean up the mess, and so that's what I did. So you can see it's not looking so messy, and although there's still a lot of organizing needs to be done, but look at the progress. Look at the walls. They just done it for just one day, and here it is. So I did try my best to clean it up, but it's still a lot of mess because it's not yet done putting the doors in there and another door in the front. And I'm excited to get this done, really. And there's still a lot more things to do in spite of my husband doing a lot of work, busy on his job. So he's still trying to give some time on this barn. Thanks for watching. Till next time.